This is page number 3 of AIB question and answer solutions. So the ninth question is, which of the following is not law according to Article 13 of the Constitution? So rule is a law, bylaw is a law, custom and usage is a law. Actually, it is none of these. Which of the following schedule deals with union list, state list and concurrent list in Constitution of India? It is Schedule 7. Under 82 and 83 of IPC, an offence is punishable if it is done by a child. So here the question is, which is punishable under BNS or IPC? So which is punishable? 82 and 83 of IPC says which is not punishable. We need to check the description. 82 and 83 of IPC says below 7 years is not punishable. So first answer is wrong. First one, A, is not an option. Above 7 years but below 10 years. Actually, it speak about 8 to 12 years of age. So we need to remove the options. So it is 8 to 12 years. If it is 8 to 12 years, we need to remove that as well. So this is also wrong, as it is saying below 10 years. Above 7 years and age, below 12 years, but not having attained maturity. So this is also wrong. And the right answer is B. Name two essential conditions of penal liability. It's mens rea and actus reus. So here, which means guilty mind and wrongful act. Guilty mind and wrongful act. Option C. Provisions for right to private defense is given between IPC of 96 to 106. B is the answer for this question. Before it is 96 to 103 to 106 with the explanation. Now it is from 34 to 41. 34. So consent is not a valid consent under section 90 of IPC when, if it is on fear of injury and misconception, yes. It is given by a person of unsound mind, yes. If given by child below 12 years of age, yes. So the answer is all of these. D. Causing the death of a child in mother's womb is not homicide. So this is culpable homicide section. This is IPC because it says about 300, 301, all and all. So for this is the answer. Explanation 3 of 299. Here we need to note, causing death of a child in a mother's womb is not homicide. Yeah, it's not just homicide, but it is still a crime. Okay, here the explanation says this is not homicide. Explanation 3 299 is IPC, and in BNS it is explanation 3 section 100. So this 299 culpable section has changed into 100. Culpable homicides now comes under section 100. A punishment for defamation under IPC is simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 2 years with fine or both for IPC. Again in BNSS it's 2 years for both. But there is one more option given there, which is community service. So it is 2 years, fine or both, with community service at this point of time after BNA.